Welcome back to Carolina Rut Cuddles. Today we got a new vehicle. Some of y'all have seen it. I think I've already showed it, or maybe I'm showing it in another video. I don't know, guys. I've recorded a lot of videos this week, and who knows which one comes out. So what did we get, you might ask? A flying Yamaha Grizzly Special Edition.
Oh, look, he's flying.
Yeah, she's flying. She got that little whee. So what's going on here, you might ask? Hey, I'll hold that. Stop it. The real seal's out here, so I had to get all this out, which was kind of a pain, but hey, whatever. And the real diff was exploded. But luckily, my friends at Niche had one, and we were able to buy it, and we already got this side on, new U-joint on this side. A little stiff, well, Grizzly should help out. But this foiler, we didn't pay but like $500 for it, guys. So I was like, of course. Guy called me and said, hey, I need all this work done. I gave him a price. He goes, man, that's way more than what I want. Would you like to buy it? I said, sure, how much? On $500? I came and picked it up right then. I'm like, heck yeah, I want a $500 foiler. So it does need the real diff. As you said, it was kind of expensive. I needed new U-joints. I don't know if the car will be able to be cleaned or need to be replaced. We're going to clean it and hope for the best. And we had to put it together. This thing was completely tore apart. It also had no wheels. Those are just some stocks I had sitting around, so we'll have to put some wheels. I'm thinking maybe the wheels off the Grizzly, because it already has a 2-inch lift. I don't know if that's going to help or not. But let's be honest, you ain't nothing to it but to do it, people. Anyways, let me go ahead and get the seal in and the real diff. I mean, kind of boring, and sadly, I didn't bring my GoPro, so no time lapse this time, guys. So I will catch you when we're done. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you know when it rains, it pours, and we kind of running out of daylight, so sorry about the lighting. I'm trying my best to do better with lighting, but you can only do but so much when it's getting dark. So we were finally, after a long time, able to get this in. Thank God that thing was really giving me a fuss. But, like always, something's always going to go wrong. This bolt is stuck in here. Ain't no way to get out. All this got to be replaced. This one's got to be replaced. The one on the other side, I think I can make it work, but yeah, it's no brainer. My axle here, if you watch this, yeah, it's not in there anymore. If you shove it together, it locks, but I don't want to take this apart again and again, so we're going to go ahead and order a new axle. We'll order the new bolts and bushings, and hopefully we'll have it done in the next 2 weeks. I don't know. We've had this thing for 2 months, 3 months now. We've had it for a very long time. And I think this is going to be a good foiler. I really do. A lot of people talk crap about my last 450, but guys, that thing was ragged out when we got it. Just like a Honda I had back in the day that the transmission went out. I couldn't blame it because it was ragged out. When you get something that's super ragged out, not just like a little rag, like I've seen people, it's ragged out. Like, why? Because they didn't keep it waxed and it's a little faded? No. That Grizzly I had last time, it was ragged out. Anyways, I don't know what more to say, guys. I will catch you when we get all this together. I need to go ahead and put the oil in the diff before I forget it, because that would just be my luck. Destroy a brand new $300 diff. Anyways, I will catch you when we get back. Well, guys, we're finally back to it. We're finally able to walk on the Grizzly 450. I can't walk on it this morning, but we'll go ahead. We'll pull it in the shop, and this afternoon we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this thing together. So, I guess I'll catch you on a little bit. I don't know why. I think it was this bushing right here was on back order, and yeah, we can't exactly go without it. Got the diff in, guys, thanks. Without further ado, we're going to go ahead and cut this thing off, put the axle in, and put all it together, guys. It's hot as sin today. I think they said it was 100, 103, 111 real feel. So it is hot. So let's go ahead and throw this together. Okay, we finally got the rear end on. We ended up not having no nuts. They disappeared. So we had to go order them, and I thought the other day was hot. As you can see, I'm dripping with sweat, guys. It is even hotter, and I'm like, woo! But here comes the fun part. Now it's time to do the carburetor. If we get this carburetor right, we might have it running tonight. I've already got the bolts out, or screws, whatever you call them. So here's the moment of truth. How bad does it look? I ain't looked yet. I ain't looked. Oh, good. Oh, good. Yeah, we have a lot of cleaning here, people. I guess I'll go ahead and start cleaning it. I mean, if y'all could smell this, like, holy moly, that is some nasty smell and stuff. Anyways, let me get back to this. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think we got it, guys. I got the carburetor cleaned out. Now, let me show you something I found. I got the carburetor back in, but this is another one. So, the float was actually missing. Focus. Was actually missing the spring that goes onto it. Or the little wiry piece. So yeah, that would probably be one reason why it was flooding out so bad. Anyways, we got it all put together. I put fresh gas. I got everything in it. I'm gonna need a jump box, and I think she might start. We don't have the airbox on, so I don't know how well she's gonna start. Some foils will start without the airbox on. Wait, why does it keep on focusing? And some will not. So let me grab the jump box. Okay. Everything works. The fans must be wild because I noticed this last time. So we've had this thing for months. Will she start? Okay, let's see. This is on. Oh my gosh. First hit. Holy crap. People talk good about a Honda. That Yamaha, I mean, I swear, guys, I swear, I'm telling you, I have not touched this thing till right this second. I didn't even try to start it. Normally, I'll try to start it and see what happens. No, that was it. Holy crap. Come on, baby, rev up, rev up. Oh, yeah. Heck yeah, guys. It runs. It's alive. So, it seems to run. I mean, I can't really check it too much because the fact that, the airbox ain't on. Why does it keep unfocusing? I think it's because the sun's gone, guys, and them clouds are not looking very inviting. But I think we get the airbox on, new air filter, and all this. I think we can make it work. The gas seems to be good. It seems to be idling right, so hopefully we have it right. I'm also going to go ahead and change the oil because that oil was milky as can be, people. I mean, like straight milk. Like, y'all want some milk for your seal? That's what it looked like. So I think we just go ahead and get all this stuff on, and I think we'll be right at tomorrow. Plus, guys, I don't think I've told you this, but we have a special set of wheels just for this old goal. I haven't showed nobody. I don't think I've told anybody. If I have, you've been paying really close attention because if I don't even remember doing it. Anyways, that's about all we're going to do tonight. We're running out of daylight. The storm's coming, and my wife keeps texting me about coming home. So I guess next time you see it, I'll have it pretty much together. Unless I find something that I'm like, oh, y'all need to see this. So I'll catch you then. Okay, guys, we are back the next day, and guess what? We got home mostly put together. We have everything right, I think. But y'all gotta see this. This is the funniest thing I've ever seen. Okay, so start it up. Start right up. I need a new battery, and there's a couple little things I need. But as you can see, focus. 4-wheel drive is in, 2-wheel drive is out. Watch this. Put in gear, 4-wheel drive is out. Yeah, they're locked in. Which is really funny. I've never seen a 4-wheeler that was locked into 4-wheel drive. Normally they're locked out of it. Which would explain why when I drove it a second, I said, man, this thing feels like it doesn't want to steal. And yeah, it's a small 4-wheeler, but it didn't steal at all. And now I see why. I'm guessing the motor's out. I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to run home and grab the GoPro. We're going to drive this thing around and, yeah, just beat on it a little bit. Probably not too much because it still needs a lot of stuff. But I'll catch you on a second. Okay, let's drive this noisy thing around. I don't like the fan, and I don't like the 4-wheel drive. But what can you do? Look at the dust coming. I don't know if y'all can see all the dust coming out the belt. That's crazy. Another issue we have is no brakes. The back one, the caliper is locked up, and I don't know anything about the front one. Well, we can't really do the donuts because 4-wheel drive is keeping us from it. But hey, why not just, oh, hello. Let's ride. Oh, crap. Oh, she a spunky little thing though. You gotta love an old Yamaha. Oh, ah, crap. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. That just reminds me, I never put the skid plate on the back. I swear, these old Yamahas are billy goats, especially in low. They're crazy low. Do it. Not that good to drive around in 4-wheel drive, but so much. But what can you do? I really need to test it a little bit. Oh. I see what I kept hearing a noise. I'm like, what is that noise? I see it. I now know what I heard. My winch cable. Yeah, the winch is gone. Did I show you all that? Okay. Let's keep driving around. I just kind of testing it. So I don't have this yet. I don't know where that is. I think I have this, but I think I ended up using this elbow for the brute. This snorkel for the air box is not hooked up at all. So I got to do that. Got to fix a 4-wheel drive. Needs a complete service. Oh crap. Why are you trying to run away? I said stay. I put new oil in it, but I didn't have a new filter, so I'm going to have to get that. Let's go ahead and climb Mount Cement. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna climb that. I know better. Problem is, once we get up there, we're gonna flip it. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's about a 25, 30 foot, and it's literally just rocks that are all over the place. It's not the best idea. We also need a battery for this thing. The lights seem to work. I ain't really worried about the lights. We need a new brake caliper for the back. It's not even hooked up right now. I think that's it. So we need 4-wheel drive to be fixed, brake caliper, full service, and a battery. And I think she'll be 100% then. And figure out what's up with all these wires. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the wires are going all over the place. And we'll probably go ahead and put a new belt on this thing because why not? Definitely needs a new belt. Put a new belt and do a little clutch work because y'all know me. I want my clutches right. And these clutches are definitely not right. Oh crap. You know, I keep forgetting that these tiles don't have tread. I mean, like, at all. I mean, when I say no tread, I mean, these things are all ball naked. Look, no tread. Well, a little bit. These are my racing slicks. Right there, racing slicks. Racing slick. And same thing. These are definitely not the best ones. Well, I don't see no fluid coming out anyway. We also got to run all the vents. I don't know if I've told y'all, but I have none of the vents run. Diff, rear end. Oh no, my brake caliper failed. It's getting thrown away anyways, as long as I don't mess up the cable. If I do, screw it, I'll replace it. I can't wheelie because the 4-wheel drive's locked in. I can't donut or slide because the 4-wheel drive's locked in. For once, the 4-wheel drive's doing the worst thing it can. Let's see if we can wheelie a little bit. I don't think we're gonna be able to though. No. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put this bad girl up. I'm really ready to play with it now, but till we get everything set, I mean, I was gonna take it in the mud today. I was gonna throw tiles on it, but none of the vents are run. I thought this was hooked up, but it's not, and it ain't worth it. There's too many little things. Like I was saying, there was just too many little things wrong with this to really do what I wanted to. I really wanted to take it mud. That was the plan. Put the tiles I bought for it and just take it out, play in the mud. But like I said, there was way too many little things that are just gonna keep us from doing it. First off, is definitely all the vents. None of the vents are hooked up, not even the car vent. This right here is here, but it's not hooked to anything. It just kind of bottoms out. The top of the air box is just there, which you could mud with that. I would actually take it as long as I wouldn't go to the deep holes. So I would do that. But we all know that my crazy butt would go deeper and deeper until we sunk it. We also got to make sure we get this. This is the other belt box. This is one belt box. This is the other, or technically front and back belt box. We definitely got to get that done. And we just got to get this thing serviced. It needs a good service. We've drove it around. The 4-wheel drive definitely needs to be fixed because it is not that fun to drive it in 4-wheel drive. But ladies and gentlemen, we got it running. It's been months of trying and error and all this BS. I mean, these bolts broke and then this is broke. But we finally got it running. And I'm so excited to finally be able to put the tires on it, take it mud. But we got to wait for all the vents and the oil stuff. So what can you do? If you wouldn't mind, go ahead and smash that like button until it decides to pay us the money it owes us. Because that like button, it owes us a lot of money. Just kidding. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you ain't subscribed, and I will see you on the next one. Well, we might have this out. We might have the Prairie out. Who knows? A lot of people have been begging to see the Wolverine out. Maybe we'll have that out. I'll see y'all next time.